Today we're making one of my favorite meals, brunch. Now, actually, most professional chefs don't like brunch because, usually we're cooking Saturday night till very late, and then Sunday morning comes very quickly, and all of a sudden we have to cook brunch. But I actually like brunch. I like eggs and fruit and all those kinds of things that make up brunch. And of course, you must have a brunch cocktail. So the first thing we're gonna do is make a spicy citrus Bloody Mary. This is actually a technique that I learned from making mojitos and caipirinhas. And we're gonna take some of the ice, put it in the bottom of the pitcher. All right, and then we're gonna take some lemons and some limes, cut them up into smaller pieces. And then we're gonna take some horseradish. This is where the spice is gonna come in. And I'm gonna take a jalapeno, just chop it up. Put that in there as well. Okay. And then I'm just gonna take a pinch of salt, because this is really sort of a savory cocktail as opposed to something that's sweet. And the salt's actually gonna work as an abrasive. And I'm gonna actually take a muddler and just break up all the citrus juices with the ice, the horseradish, and the chilies. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my secret ingredient, the citrus vodka, pour this in. I mean, it really is a vodka drink. And then tomato juice. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce, which is a classic ingredient in Bloody Marys. Let's give it a taste. And you want to taste all those things. You want to taste the spiciness of the horseradish and the jalapenos, the citrus of the vodka, because the citrus in the vodka as well, but also the lemons and the limes. It's got really the right amount of heat. And so I'm gonna pour myself a cocktail. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more ice. Okay, and I'm gonna garnish it with a jalapeno. That's a good way to start.